Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Gini and today in this video I am going to unbox this Versace Dylan Blue bag and perfume. Actually this has a bag as well as perfume, and I asked you guys on my Instagram whether you wanna see the unboxing or not, and you said yes. So here I am, and this is for my husband. I gifted this to my husband, but before I'll unbox this, I wanna show you my dress. Put the photo as well as video on the side of this video, and this is gifted from the Amazon seller. I will put the link of that seller in the description box below, so if you wanna buy, you can buy for yourself as well. This is denim look long dress and I absolutely love it, and I got many compliments as well. So yes, I am in love with this dress. Now let's jump into the unboxing. So let me open this. I got this parcel as soon as they released it, and I received it yesterday, and I checked actually and it's sold out. So sorry for that, sorry for putting this video little late, but I tried my level best to film this video, and I am going to just edit this video as soon as possible. So let me open. So it is something like this. So if you open this, you can see the perfume. So this is the perfume, and this is, I think, 100 ml 3.4 ounce bottle, and I love the smell of this. This is for men's, and this is very sexy, very, I love this perfume. Like, I absolutely love this. I think this is my second favorite after I don't remember the name. I'll put on the screen, and I love that perfume for men's, and this is the second most favorite. I absolutely love it, and I love the Versace logo and everything, the gold and blue. So yeah, you get this. Oh, actually you get these bundle for $92. So yeah, it is actually very good set. So yeah, this is perfume. Now it's time to see the bag. I am actually very excited for this bag. So this bag is actually for men's, but anyone can use. Yep, now it's all empty. So it is all packed. Not bad, it is actually very good size. So you can open it like this. I hope you can see. Let me sit like this. So oh, it's very soft. Is this leather? Because I don't like leather. I don't encourage to use leather, so I don't know. I don't think so it's leather, because you cannot get a leather bag for $92. So, and the size is pretty good. Like for Abhishek, or actually for me, I can use this as a diaper bag. So the size is actually very good. It is like medium sized bag. I don't know whether you can see inside or not, but I love it. Oh, it's very good. And you have the Versace logo over here. Also you can see their print, like famous print, all over the handle. And actually this is good. Abhi tak Abhishek ne nahi dekha hai. So yeah, it's nice chip. Oh, I am totally loving this. Also you have one compartment at the front. Actually very impressed with the bag. So the perfume bottle, this is 100 ml, and the price of this is actually 92. So you are getting this bag as a free. So that's why I got this for Abhishek. Actually he is like for so long he wanted a new perfume, so I thought that's the best way to get both of these. I think Versace Dylan Blue is out of stock, but the Versace Eros is still available. And also this is not at all sponsored, because you know the Versace people can't sponsor me. I'm very small YouTuber, like not even a YouTuber I think. So yeah, they can't sponsor me. So yeah, I absolutely love this bag. If you get a chance, get it for yourself, get it for your man, get it for your brother or anyone, for your dad. It's like for anyone you can get this. So yes, this is a quick unboxing. Let me quickly check the material of this bag. So it's just written Versace summer backpack for men. The total value of this bundle, like of this box, is 142, but you get this for $92, which is actually a deal. So yeah, this is made in Italy. So anything which comes from Italy is always a good buy. So yeah, that's it for the video. Hope you liked it, and if so, please don't forget to hit a like button. Also subscribe to my channel. Now I'm going to see you on my next video. Till then, bye and have a nice day.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh,